Speaking Task 1, Listen and Repeat. You will hear a sentence. After you hear it, you will have a short time to repeat it. Try to repeat the sentence exactly as you hear it, with correct pronunciation and intonation. You will hear 7 sentences in total. You are reporting an issue in your dormitory. There is a problem in my room. The heater is not working properly. I noticed the issue started a few days ago. The maintenance team has not responded to my request yet. Many students have complained about similar problems in the building. Even though I submitted a request online, I haven't received any updates. The housing office is planning to fix these issues to ensure students are comfortable during the winter.